Hi, I'm Alvis. I'm an alumni from TactLabs and I'm here to share my working experience in TactLabs. So first, I joined as an intern in TactLabs where we had a bunch of hackathons with small groups of people to determine our strengths. So once that was cleared, we then moved on into a more specific role. I got a leadership and a DevOps role. So first, I have to thank Raja sir for the leadership opportunity that he gave me, where I was able to maintain a intern team of 20 plus, where all the tasks were delegated and I knew how to communicate with those interns and how to work in a professional environment. So after that was done, then we got to work on more technology related, more research oriented projects. I was working in a lot of DevOps role, as I said previously, where I had to research on Kubernetes, Docker, Cryo, Service Mesh, and a lot of new emerging technologies, which from 5 years from now might be the industry standard. So Raja sir had a really lot of insights on how the tech industry would go in the future. So he gave me a roadmap on what all I should learn to become a DevOps master. So in midway through my work, he offered all the interns opportunity to write any AWS certification exam completely paid for. So I took up the challenge and I wrote AWS Cloud Practitioner, where the entire fee was paid by the Tech Labs. So then we don't have to stop with one certification. He Raja sir always encourages all the students to just try harder and reach the next level. So he offered me to write the other exam, AWS Solutions Architect. So I would be writing that in the coming months, and I'm really pumped to have given such an opportunity and have a wonderful experience learning and developing myself. All this happened while I was still a student in a college. So I'm really grateful for it, and that's me. Thank you.